Hey guys, welcome to Cubium. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this 1x1x3 I built myself. This is the 1x1x3 I built with my little brother. So it's actually, as you can see, made out of Lego. We took 3 Lego blocks, as you can see here, and then it was actually quite difficult to get it all to work because I believe we had to extend the pieces to make them cubic and also find pieces you can see like this that would actually fit into the bottom of other pieces. So for this one, I believe we've used tile with these tubes sticking out of it, and that sticks nicely into the bottom of this next piece. So actually it seems like the lubricant I put in here, I think I put Maru Lube in here, that's probably why, has sort of made the piece fall apart and then it doesn't stick in properly. There we go. And then it can spin. Then for this piece, you can see that actually we've put a piece in the bottom to stick to this. A piece literally just fell off. So it sticks in there like this. So it's really not amazing, and instead of stickers, I've literally just cut out pieces of paper, and we didn't even have orange, so we had to use pink. I just wanted to show you this, to show that you can make a mod, even if you start small. I really don't have anything. I don't have stickers, I don't have epoxy sculpt. We didn't even have spray paint, so you can see the Lego pieces shining through. But this is still a cool little modification I've made, and it's a 1x3x3. Now, let's do a solve. J-perm style. Let's do this. First of all, we need to do a WCA scramble. I've got one here on my phone, so it's U, D, L, R, B, U2, D, and that's all. I used a 2x2 scramble. I think that's most appropriate. Ready? I'm going for WR here, people. No, I messed up. 3 seconds. We can do better. Okay. Inspection. Ready? No, not sub 1. Okay, I think this is it, guys. No, it's so close! I hope you enjoyed that bonus video about this little 1x1x3 I made with my little brother, and I hope it inspired you to do something similar. All you need is Legos and some paper. Please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. Please. See you next time.